Winter season is considered difficult to lose weight. Well, because of obvious reasons that everyone loves curling in blankets the entire day. So, where will you lose the weight from? But let me tell you something important. Winters are the best time to lose weight. Yes, you have heard it right, because body's metabolism boosts up or speeds up during the winters. The body burns more calories in order to maintain the temperature during winters, making it suitable for weight loss if you are physically active and eat mindfully. So here I am to discuss a few warm, delicious and hearty soup recipes, especially for the weight loss enthusiasts who can enjoy the soups during the winters. Moong dal has good amount of fiber and protein which keeps you full for a little longer. The vegetables added in the soup are loaded with fiber and nutrients like vitamins and minerals. Thermogenic spices like cumin, black pepper, ginger and garlic helps you boost the digestion and metabolism. Lentils are a good source of protein and they're also low in fat. On the other hand, spinach is loaded with vitamins and antioxidants which promotes the fat loss. The spices which are used in the soup creates warmthness in the body. Both carrot and pumpkin are low in calories and rich in fiber, making it a filling but lighter soup. They're also loaded with antioxidants and are good source of beta carotene. Tomatoes are low in calories and rich in antioxidants. Methi helps control blood sugar levels, reduces the cravings and supports the digestion, aiding in weight loss. Adding a dash of cumin, coriander powder and black pepper powder can enhance the flavor of the soup. This classic soup provides good amount of fiber and vitamins and minerals from the corn and vegetables added in the soup. This makes it filling, but at the same time the soup is lighter. The anti-inflammatory and fever-reducing properties of rasam makes it a perfect antidote to the common flu and cold during winters. This soup is a balance of carbs, protein and fiber. The soupy nature of tukka makes it aid digestion and it is light on the stomach. The spices which are used in this soup are anti-inflammatory and are loaded with antimicrobial properties. The best thing about the soups are they are lighter on tummy but they help reduce the hunger pangs. So do try out the soups and let us know in the comment section below how did you enjoy the soups.